We move on to 20th question. Welcome back to Aksharapatram Beyond Infinity. In today's video, I'll be continuing Model Question Paper number 2, Mathematics Subject 2026, published by Karnataka Government. So, we had discussed in the previous video till question number 19, and in this video, I'll be continuing from question number 20. Question number 20 is first 20 terms of AP 6, 10, 14, etc. So we have to find the sum of first 20 terms of AP 6, 10, 14, etc. So sum of n terms of AP is given by the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n is equal to 20, a is equal to 6 and d is equal to 4. So sum of 20 terms is, we substitute the values here, we simplify and we get answer as 880. So sum of first 20 terms of AP 6, 10, 14 is 880, where d is the common difference, a is the first term and n is the number of terms. 20th question, there is an OR part for that. So we move on to the OR question of 20. Which term of AP 2, 7, 12 is 47? So they have given an AP 2, 7, 12, etc. We have to find which term is 47. 47 is a term of that AP, but we don't know which term it is. So we have to find the value of n here. N is the number of terms. So nth term formula we have to use here. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, n is the number of term, d is the common difference, and an is the nth term. So here nth term they have given as 47. So we substitute values. 47 is equal to 2 plus n minus 1 into d. So 2 taking to this side, 45 is equal to n minus 1 into d. D is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. So taking 5 to the LHS, 45 by 5 is equal to n minus 1. 45 by 5 is 9. So n is equal to 9 plus 1, which is equal to 10. So the 10th term of this AP will be 47. You can check your answer. Now we move on to 21st question. The lengths of two rectangular tables are 84 cm and 126 cm. Their common width is 42 cm. Maximum length of square glass sheet which exactly fits both the tables is required. So total glass sheets required should be calculated. So here they have given the length of two rectangular tables and they have asked the maximum length of square glass sheet. So here 84 and 126 are the lengths. So we have to find the HCF of 84 and 126 to find the maximum length. So here HCF I did prime factorization method. HCF I got 3 into 7 into 2, which is 42. So 42 is the maximum length of square glass sheet requiring both the tables. Now to find the number of sheets, we have to divide the area of table 1 by area of the square and table 2 by area of square. So number of sheets for table 1 will be 84 into 42 by square is 42 into 42. So cancelled, it is 2. So 2 sheets are required for table 1, and for table 2, 126 is the length, width is 42, 126 into 42 by that square sheet is 42 into 40. So it will be 3. So for table 1, 2 sheets are required. For table 2, 3 sheets are required. We move on to the 22nd question. Sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Find the value of tan A. So sin A, this is from trigonometry chapter. Trigonometric ratio sin means it's opposite by hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. So you can draw angle A, opposite is 3, hypotenuse is 5. So 3 by 5 is sin A. So cos A, tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. So to find cos A, it is adjacent by hypotenuse. So we get adjacent by Pythagoras theorem. Root of 5 square minus 3 square, which is root of 25 minus 9, which is root of 16 is equal to 4. So cos A will be 4 by 5, adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan A sin A by cos A, which is 3 by 4. So tan A will be 3 by 4, or tan A you can directly take from the triangle opposite by adjacent, 3 by 4. Now 23rd question. Find the coordinates of point which divides the line segment joining 1, 6 and 4, 3 in the ratio 3:1 internally. So in the ratio 3:1 internally. It's not 3:4. It is 3:1 internally. So here we have a formula, section formula, to find the coordinates of point which divides line segment joining two points in a ratio, which is given by mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, which is the x coordinate of the point, and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n, which is y coordinate of the point, if the ratio is m:n and the points are x1, y1 and x2, y2. So substituting the values, we get 3 into 4 plus 1 into 1 by 4, 1. 3 into 3 plus 1 into 6 by 4, which is 13 by 4 and 15 by 4. So this is called section formula, which divides a line segment internally in the ratio m:n. 24th question. Two concentric circles having radii 5 cm and 3 cm are drawn with center O. Find the length of chord of larger circle that touches the smaller circle at P. So these are two concentric circles, radii 5 and 3 respectively. So P is the point which touches the AB chord at AB chord touches the smaller circle at point P. So AB will be a tangent to the smaller circle. So tangent, if we draw OP, OP should be perpendicular to AB and OP bisects AB. So we get OA square. We can use Pythagoras theorem here. OA square is equal to OP square plus AP square. So we get AP square as 5 square minus 3 square, or AP is equal to 4. PB will also be 4. So we get the length of chord AB as 4 plus 4, which is 8 centimeter. Next we move on to question number 25. A, B, C are points on OP, OQ and OR of triangle PQR. If AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR, show that BC is parallel to QR. So here they have given that A, B, C are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively. They have given AB is parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to PR. We have to show that BC is parallel to QR. You can see the figure here. PQR is the triangle, ABC is another triangle, and OP, OQ and OR are joined. So they have given AB is parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to PR. We have to prove that BC is parallel to QR. So here they have given A, B, C are 3 points and they have joined A, B, C. So now we have to take triangle OPQ, this side OPQ. There we can apply BPT. So we get OA by AP is equal to AOB by BQ by basic proportionality theorem. It divides into proportional sides. So OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. AB is parallel to PQ. So AB divides the other two sides in the same proportion. And now this triangle we can take OPR. Here also by BPT, OC by CR is equal to OA by AP. So by 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we get OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. Now taking OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR, OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR, triangle OQR. In triangle OQR, OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR, which is converse of BPT. If the sides of triangle are proportional, then the line will be parallel to the third side. So here line is BC. BC divides the side already into same proportion. OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. So the sides are proportional here. So BC is parallel to QR by converse of BPT. Now moving on to question number 26 from probability chapter. There are 20 red balls and some blue balls. Probability of blue balls is 1/4 probability of red balls. Find the number of blue balls and total number of balls. So here let total number of balls be T, the number of blue balls be B. So probability of blue balls will be number of blue balls by total number of balls. Number of blue balls we have taken as B and total number as T. So B by T, which is 1/4 of P of R. So 1/4 of R by T, where R is the number of red balls. So here they have given number of red ball as 20. So B by T is equal to 1/4 of 20 by T, which is 5. So number of blue balls is 5. Therefore total number of balls is 20 red balls plus 5 blue balls, which is 25 balls. So in the bag there are 25 balls and probability of blue ball will be 5 by 25 and probability of red ball will be 20 by 25. We move on to 27th question now. The denominator of a fraction is 1 more than twice numerator. The sum of the fraction and reciprocal is 29 by 10. Find the fraction. So denominator here is given as 2, numerator plus 1. And if we take numerator as x, it will be 2 into x plus 1. So the fraction will be x by 2x plus 1 and reciprocal will be 2x plus 1 by x. If we add these both, we get 29 by 10. Now we take the LCM. LCM is x into 2x plus 1. So we get x square plus 2x plus 1 whole square by x into 2x plus 1 is equal to 29 by 10. Then using a plus b whole square formula, we expand this and we do simplification. Then we cross multiply with 10. We get 50x square plus 40x plus 10 minus 58x square minus 29x equal to 0. We simplify this. We get a quadratic equation in x. Minus 8x square plus 11x plus 10 equal to 0. Or we have to solve this quadratic equation now by splitting the middle term. The middle term is 11 and the end terms are 8 and 10. So we have to get two numbers such that the numbers added should be 11 and multiplied should be minus 8 into 10, which is minus 80. So we got two numbers 16 and minus 5. So we substitute here. In place of 11, we split 11 into 16 minus 5. Then we take common from first two by regrouping and last two. So we get x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 5 by 8. X is equal to 5 by 8 is not possible. because it's a whole number. So numerator is 2. Therefore denominator is 2 into 2 plus 1, which is 5. So the fraction is 2 by 5. Hope you understood the method or working. Now we move on to question number 29, which is to find the mode of the given data. They have given the class interval and frequency. As I already explained in pre-board paper 1, the mode can be found out by formula L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is the lower limit of model class, F1 is frequency of model class, F0 is frequency of class before model class, F2 is frequency of class next to model class, and H is the class size. So we get here, first we have to identify the model class. Here, since frequency is maximum for 30 to 40, model class is to be taken as 30, 40. So here lower limit is 30, not 3. Lower limit of model class is 30. F1 is 12. F2 is 3. F0 is 4. Class size is 10. So substituting the values, we get 30 plus 12 minus 4 by 24 minus 4 minus 3 into 10. 30 plus 80 by 17 or 4.7. So 34 by 7. So mode should be always in the model class here. So 34.7 comes here in 30 to 40 class. So the answer is correct. So here I am concluding this video, question number 29. In the next video, I will be continuing with question number 30 and I will be discussing question number 28. Thank you.